behind me because that demo just really took it out of me. So we're going to do our weekly Apache Spark Code review. I'm just going to quickly put on my headphones and double check that everything's working okay. Oh shit, it looks like it has not started over here, and that is not great. Oh, no, it looks like it has. Okay, cool, that's great. So started here. I'm just going to double check on Twitch really quickly. That looks pretty solid too. Okay, so we are live on both. And if anyone has questions, I really do want you to let me know, and we can work with that. In theory, the chat works. If it doesn't, I'll just periodically check in on YouTube and Twitch just in case, but if not, no stress. Okay, and let's switch to live mode. Okay, so it's been a while, so there's a chance that the PRs that we were looking at historically are all merged now. But who knows? Certainly my... Oh, cool. Okay. My sign-in is still valid. This is the dashboard, which I really like with Spark. I can actually take my headphones off because we already checked the audio. And let's go see. So these are my personal PRs that I have outbound into the Spark project. I'm going to get back to those at some point later. These are the ones that I've been reviewing and when they've been updated. So this one, updated 7 days ago. Haven't had a chance to look at it since, so we're going to go ahead and bring that one up. This one, last updated 14 days ago. I don't know where this is going. We can take a quick look at that. I don't think we're going to have a lot to say. And the rest of these, they're really doesn't look like they're making progress, and that's okay. You know, people have to disappear and go, do their main job for a while, and that's totally normal. Okay, so Python. Oh, okay, that looks interesting. Also, yeah, cool. That's great. Nick Pentrieth is the shepherd. So that's cool. Okay. This is actually a bunch of things in PySpark, which are all like really good things that we should be getting through that I'm just haven't seen away from the project for so long. Which I feel bad about, but that's just life, I suppose. Oh. Well, okay. That's probably a good set of projects to look at this morning. That's already quite a lot. Okay, add wait column Python multi-class evaluator. Yeah. Okay, cool. So this is really cool. We're really fortunate. The author of the Scala side of it has approved it, and that's a really good sign, right? And so that means that it's probably pretty good. We still want to take a look at it from a sort of Python and just committer standpoint, because the other person I don't think is a committer, and we just want to double check that we're following the style. But it means it's probably doing the right thing, and that's great because multi-classification evaluator. Oh, damn it! I wanted to use this last week, but it wasn't merged. No, it wasn't merged because it was raining on me. Well, that's my own damn fault. Okay. This is a bit much for a doc test, but it's not really that bad. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I'm really excited. Okay, let's take a look. Fudgesicles. Python's a little rusty because I've been working in Scala for the past week, so I want to double check. Python named parameters function. Yeah, so would be if a user had been using a named parameter. To construct it, to construct this, we would not be backwards compatible. However, since the next release is slated to be Spark 3, I think this relatively minor break is okay. That's a note for myself, but also if we come back to this PR and it turns out something like weird happened and unavailable, you know, the logic of my thinking is written down for other people to see. So numcall, yeah. Okay. Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm really excited. I get to merge code today, and I didn't think I was going to merge anything. I thought this was just going to be like a normal day of just looking at shit and being like, I don't know. Okay. Cool. Thanks for taking a look. Always want to thank reviewers, because really, without this person taking a look first, I would have to spend a lot more time thinking if this is what we want. And like they gave useful feedback, and this is really lovely, and it makes my job simpler and faster. So let's go take a look again. ML evaluation. Love it. I want to double check the default params, because that's the thing where things can go kind of wrong sometimes. So wait column, default's null, same thing in subparams. Yeah, looking solid. Approve. Thanks. I'll merge this to master. Yay! I'm excited. No one else is watching. Or, I mean, if they are, they're not commenting. Or my comment stream is broken. I give it 50-50 odds between the two. Okay, yeah. Whatevs. We're gonna go ahead and merge this. It's gonna be fun. Alright. Okay. So always pull down the latest master branch. We have this really nice tool, merge Spark PR. Yeah, I don't have the Jira stuff set because I prefer to do the Jira stuff manually, because the automatic one hasn't been working out so great for me anyways. Okay, so this is our pull request number. Looks good to me. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Ooh, my apologies. Yeah. Did it actually push? I think it interpreted my yes / as no. Okay. This is the pull request. Let's double check the Jira super quick. No, damn it. Nah, whatever. Okay, let's skip Jira. What? Yeah, what the Oh, are you going to work?
No.
Oh.
If I leave now, I might be able to get parking because it's too cold to scoot. Hey, babies, who are you?
It's Mr. Penguin.
Mr. Penguin, hello. Oh, and there's Trash Panda.
Yeah.
Hello, little friend.
Here, I'm going to switch it to the talking screen because there's no one here this morning. Okay. Oh, no, wrong one. Here we go. My wife. Not this one. This one. This one's Mr. Penguin. She's really sweet, too. But you're sweeter. Okay. Have a good day at work, girl.
I don't think it'll be a full day.
Okay.
I think I'll be home in the afternoon, I hope.
Okay. Well, I mean, if you come back around 4, Brian will be here, and we can do any projects we need to do today.
Very cool.
We could go to my office and get prizes, also known as things that are in the mailroom. I don't know if you want to do that or not, though, because it's Friday, and driving on Friday is when it's cold and rainy downtown. Sounds like kind of a bullshit day.
A little bit.
So maybe we'll just get prizes, like, on Monday?
I do need to get, I need to go to the Container Store
Okay.
to take back that amount of crap in the hallway.
You want to do it on Sunday?
Maybe?
Before ice skating?
It's ice skating Saturday.
Oh, what
I
time?
I don't know.
I thought it was on the calendar for Sunday, but I
Maybe
get
it's
confused
the
easily.
10th.
Alexa,
Yeah.
what day is it? Yeah, so
Oh,
it'll
it
be
is
Sunday.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, because ice skating is actually pretty close to Container Store.
Yeah, so we could just do that.
Cool. There's going to be a lesson.
That's really good because I have not ice skated since I was like 8, despite being Canadian. The one mandatory winter sport that I learned how to sport with skiing because I kept falling when ice skating and hurting myself.
I cut my face open ice skating, and that was the end of me ice skating.
Wait, why are we doing this?
Because Jenna really likes ice skating.
Okay, that's
And
legit.
she wanted to do an ice skating day.
Okay, we'll go do ice skating. It'll be great. Let's try not to die.
I will.
Although SF General has waived their balance billing for the next 90 days.
Wait, really?
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's probably like 80 days at this point.
Because they got in trouble for not taking anyone's insurance?
Yeah. What the fuck, America? Like, seriously?
Yeah, SF General just bills you $1 million. Literally. Like, probably more like 100,000. And if you can pay it,
yeah,
they want it. And if you can't, like, I don't know.
Chase you until the end of the world.
Yay!
Medical
Don't have private insurance.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to computers.
I'm gonna go to work.
Okay, enjoy work.
Bye.
Bye. Love you too. Okay, so this looks like the right issue. We're gonna go ahead and assign it to the PR author here. This is part of why I don't do the automatic Jira thing, because I end up having to do the assign manually anyways. And we're gonna go back here, and I'm gonna say yes to this title. We're gonna say yes. Oh, yep. And we're gonna say yes, push to Apache. Okay. Fudge. And I never remember my ASF password because I don't merge nearly as often as I do reviews. Or I shouldn't say never, I don't often. And I have it in my little, like, LastPass thing. Oh, except it didn't like me that time. Oh. Yay! Okay. We merged some code to master. Sends the required email. because everything on the ASF is very much about mailing lists. We don't want to commit this to another branch, so we're going to say no. And we're good. That is great. One done. I don't know how many more to go. So that's okay. We will, whatever. Okay, cool. So these two are done. I'm just going to put this one here, and then we'll go, yeah, just, okay, cool. Where did this get left off in the conversation? Yeah. So this one, it sounds like we really don't know what we want to do. We need to circle back to the list, so we're just going to ignore this pull request for now. That's just a little comment that suggests, like, hey, just give this a tag so people know that we're still in discussions on the dev list. Okay. Cool. Beans. Oh, shit. Ooh. Fancy. The UI's changed a little bit. It's cool. Okay. Cool. This really isn't touching all that much Python. And this is totally an important change. I'm not going to touch it though. So, not that I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to look at it today because I think it's going to be a bit long. Okay, Sean said it looks good to him 2 days ago. Yeah. Also +1. Yeah. Also +1. Okay, yeah. Cool. We're going to go and take a look at the diff view here. Okay, class, string indexer params, this, okay. Okay, yeah, cool. I really don't care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever. I mean, I do care. Sorry, let me rephrase that. The nits can wait until after the other pieces. Ooh. I'm worried about adding input calls and output calls before handle invalid. If anyone's using positional constructors here, this will positional constructors and had specified a value for handle invalid, this could fail. And I think positional constructors are pretty common. So we're going to go ahead, start review, keep going. Yeah, same comment as on the init. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, this is long. Okay, yeah, there's cool beans here. Okay, from array of labels, yeah. Okay, we'll just go ahead, +1. Yeah. Wait, what? New Java arrays doc to reflect the change. Okay, cool. So let's see what Viryat is talking about here. If Java array starts out as none, okay. If len pilot is greater than 0 and is instant. So if we get a list of lists, inner array length is 0 for what the fudge? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Definitely +1 on this one. Also +1 on this one. Yeah, these are really good comments from Viryat. Super exciting and useful. Otherwise, Interesting. I mean, we are wasting a bit of memory. Yeah. Coupled with the change down below, I'd like to suggest we also test what happens with the string indexer and different length arrays of labels. Right, J labels new. Okay, yeah. So if I understand, perhaps arrays of labels, since each right have arrays init on naming makes assumptions about the lengths of the arrays. Could make assumptions about the lengths of the arrays being fully populated, which in this constructor might not be the case. Okay, cool. Add a review comment. That's pretty good. Yeah, definitely we should update the docs. Isn't jagged, or check it. Why not? To just recursively call. Just oh, cool. Yay! Awesome. I'm really happy it got merged. So excited. Okay, cool. We'll leave a review comment here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Java 2D arrays. I haven't done much with 2D arrays and Py4j, so just thinking out loud here. That's just a way of saying, like, hey, this is a question. I'm not telling you to do this. I don't know. It might make sense to recursively do this call rather than making these max length arrays, but who knows? Okay. That's pretty solid. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for your work. I have a few suggestions and a few questions. Cool. Looking forward to getting this plumbed through to the Python side. Yay. Awesome. So that's great. Yay! Okay, upgrade the deprecated module optparse. Ooh. K-beans. Okay, cool. It's just, it needs to be changed in more places. I think let's go take a look at the test. It's from 5 days ago. Yeah, well, I mean, really, Sean left the comment, so okay. This is an interesting one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I was looped in on this 7 days ago, but I didn't say anything because I've been, yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. This is a good question. Does it even work if it's packaged this way? Okay. I mean, that's true. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. So, I think the original intent of the packaging is less important than supporting use cases that folks are trying to do. I'm hesitant to package more, no, not resistant, to package more scripts, mostly because we don't have any particular testing for them to make sure they will work when packaged in this way. That being said, if we could put a small test which makes sure the history server can be started, I can see how it would be useful for local debugging with PySpark, and certainly shouldn't do too much harm. Perhaps we could... Actually, I'm really curious what we say in the README right now. Oops. Okay. Python. So I'm going to suggest this warning print as a warning for has been packaged scripts. For has been PyPy package scripts. So folks are less likely to use them incorrectly. What does everyone think? Okay. Cool. Cool. We'll move this over here, and we'll go take a... Oh, I guess I already merged that one. We're going to close that. Fix inconsistency fudgesicles. Fudgesicles indeed. this is difficult. Where has this conversation ended up? Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is from 12 days ago. I'm not gonna touch it. There's a lot of discussion around it, and it's probably not the kind of thing that's well suited to a live stream review. That's definitely a sit down and think about it for a long period of time sort of situation. We're gonna go look at ML really quickly, see if we've got anything interesting in there that we could do in the remaining like 10 minutes. I'm not really seeing it. You know what? This is a good stopping point. It's a little over half an hour. Part of the reason for doing the bi-weekly ones was to try and do them more frequently but shorter. Let me do my intro-outro deck because I never do it at a consistent time. Just give me 1 second. Intro. Sorry. Okay. So thank you all for joining me. This is Holden and Boo's super fun live stream, although today we're joined by Mr. Penguin and Trash Panda. And we did Spark PR review together today. No one asked any questions, but you can still go ahead and leave comments below. And I definitely do try and look at the comments on my YouTube channel because I enjoy paying. And if you like these PR reviews, you know, you can like, subscribe, click the bell, or whatever it is that you do nowadays. I am Holden. My preferred pronouns are she or her. It's tattooed on my wrist for the mornings where it's a little rough. And I'm a developer advocate at Google. I focus on open source big data tools there. And I've been at a whole bunch of other companies. They were all pretty nice. Co-author of 2 books on Spark. Actually 3 or 4, depending on how you count. But they're not all up to date. I do some code review live streams. This is one of them. If you have feedback, I would really, really encourage you to leave some feedback here. bit.ly/HoldenTalkFeedback. I know it says talk, but live stream feedback goes there too. And it really helps me improve, or if you just have positive things to say and no areas for improvement, it also helps me justify doing these to my boss. In addition to who I am professionally, I'm trans, queer, Canadian in America on an H-1B work visa that times out in 2020, and part of the leather community. And this isn't related directly to Apache Spark, but I think for those of us working on data and machine learning tools, it's important that we try and build diverse communities. And to do that, we need to talk about where we're all from and look around and see if we actually see the diversity that we need to solve problems, as opposed to just making yesterday's problems faster. Okay, with that, thank you all for joining me. It's been a sort of slow shift back into doing these. It's a good reminder that just taking a week away, you really do lose a lot of context, but that's okay, because taking a week away means that you don't burn out and you can still do this, and that is also super important. So thank you all for joining me. Right before, I do have something else. This afternoon, I've got some time in between meetings. I will be updating my Kubeflow PR at 2:30 p.m. Pacific, and I hope you'll join me for that. I'll also be doing a weekly Apache Spark Code review on Monday morning at 10 a.m., and I hope you'll join me for that as well. So with that, have a lovely day, y'all, and I'll see you all around.